Welcome.
Very good morning, students. How are you all? Are you able to hear? Please wave your hands. Okay, good. So nice to see you. Now, let's start the revision, children. But before starting the revision, please open your book. First, all of you show me your book. Okay, very good. Very good. And take the copy also. Take out your copy. Copy is with you? Okay, very good. Now, children, I have already taken the revision of lesson 3. Oliver learns a new game. Okay? Oliver learns a new game. So, children, first all of you take out page number 32. Page number 32. Taken out? Yes. Have you seen that video? Just raise your hand like this. Have you seen the video? Good. Very good. So, children, here, in each sentence, read the highlighted adjective carefully and state its kind. Okay? So, identify the kind of the underlined adjective in the following sentence. Okay? The question will come like this, that identify the kind of the underlined adjectives in the following sentences. Okay? So, children, when this question will come, question number 1, who wrote this novel? So, children, what you will write here? Who interrogated? So, children, write the number. Okay, please see the question number. You have to write the question number correctly. Then write down like this dash. Okay, are you able to see? So write down who. Okay, and after that, interrogate. Okay, okay, children. The next question is, there are only 15 students in the class today. So, children, first what you have to write? 15. The question is, identify the kind. If you will not identify the kind and only write the which adjective it is asked, so you will lose the marks. So, first what you will write here? and then you write adjective of quantity. Now children, right? Of quantity. Okay, full you have to write. Adjective of quantity. You will not write like this. Adjective. It is wrong. Some children are writing in the examination time only adjective, ADG. No. Okay. Correct spelling. Full spelling right now. Adjective of quantity. Understand? Say yes or no. Say, wave your hands. Okay, good. Third question is, have you submitted your notebook? Have you submitted your notebook? So children, again what you have to do? Write down the number please. Okay. According to the question paper, what the question has asked. Okay, what the question will come. With that write down here. Then write down your write down that. Okay. Then write down possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Okay, children? So, children, when you will write, please see the spelling, check the spellings. While writing time, please check the spellings. Okay? Okay, children. So, are you able to hear me? Please wave your hands. Okay, good. Now, which dress are you wearing for the party? So, children, first you have to write which and then interrogative adjective. Understand? Now, this I will ask you also. I'm going to ask you. Okay. The second thing is rewrite these sentences using appropriate contractions. Now, this page number 33. And many of you have completed this work in the copy, but some of you have not done also in the classwork copy. So, how you will write here? It is asked, rewrite these sentences using appropriate contractions. Means you have to rewrite the sentences. Okay. Let me explain you. You should have completed your homework yesterday. Now, children, please look at here very carefully. First you write. Then should have. Okay, children, underline. Should have completed your homework. Yesterday. Okay, you should have completed your homework yesterday. The question has asked, rewrite these sentences using appropriate contractions. If you will not rewrite the sentence with the correct contraction, you will not get the number. Okay, because it is asked, rewrite these sentences using appropriate contractions. Children, one more thing. If you will write only and you will not write the sentence, it is zero. Okay, it is zero you will get. Because the question is not stated that you have to rewrite the sentence. You have to rewrite the sentence. Okay, rewrite the sentence using appropriate contraction. Then you will rewrite the sentence using appropriate contraction. Then only you will get the marks. Understand? They are sitting in the library. So children here. Okay, they are sitting in the library. Okay, they are sitting in the library. Now one more thing, children. Many of you have noticed here that where you have to put the comma. Okay, some of you are writing like this. No, it is wrong. Okay. It is wrong. How you have to write? Look at your book. All of you, please look at your book. How it is given in the book should have. First, it is given here. Put the comma. Understand? You will not give the too much space. Okay, sis. Okay? Understand all of you? You will not give too much space here like this. How it is given in your book. You can check in your book. Understand? Now, question number 3. If you do not keep quiet, the teacher will get angry. So, if you don't keep quiet, the teacher will get angry. Now here, do not. The contraction form is don't. If you don't keep quiet, the teacher will get angry. So children, after completing this sentence, what you will write here? Underline don't. Okay, children, understand? Please wave your hands like this. How many of you understand? Yes, raise it. Understand? Okay, good, very good. So please don't do mistake in the examination time while writing the answer. Okay, and please write down the correct number. Question number, please write down correctly. And when you write the sentence in the classroom copy, you have not put the full stop. Okay, please put the full stop. After writing this, they are sitting in the library. Please put the full stop. Okay, if you will not put the full stop, you will lose the marks. Understand? Now, open the book now and please open your classroom copy also. Today we are going to start the revision of lesson 5, the adventure with the sheep. So children, now I am going to ask you, okay, that what the meaning I have given to you, you have written correctly. Just please all of you open your copy. Lesson 5. The adventure with the sheep. Okay. Now, yes, Satvik Chauhan. Satvik Chauhan. Please unmute yourself. Satvik Chauhan. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Satvik. Please tell me the word meaning. Okay. I will ask the word and you will say the meaning. Understand?
What, ma'am?
I will say the word. Okay. And you will tell me the meaning. Number 1, crest.
And what?
Look at your copy. Satvik, look at your copy.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Number 1, crest.
Ma'am, 2 minutes, please wait.
Satvik, I am not able to hear you, so I am going to take any other student. Okay.
Ma'am,
And your camera is also off. Yes, Habiba. Habiba. Yes, are you able to hear me?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, please speak, say loudly. Okay, now number 1, crest.
The top of a monument area.
No, monument it is not given. The top of a mountain or hill it is.
Yes, ma'am.
What you have written?
Ma'am, I have written, but I'm not able to see.
Say what you have written, Habiba.
The top of a mountain
Or
area.
hill, yes. Okay, the next is fancy.
Imagination.
Imagination, good. Next is conflict.
Battle.
Battle, very good. Then fall on.
Attack.
Attack. Okay. Now number 5, thrust.
Push forward.
Push forward. Okay. Number 6, gallantly.
Bravely.
Bravely. Okay. Number 7, valiant.
Brave.
Brave. Number 8, dismay.
Concern.
Concern. Okay. Number 9, foe.
An enemy.
And enemy. Good. Number 10, hastened.
Hurried.
Hurry. Okay, very good. So children, please in word meaning, you have to write word also and meaning also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
Let me show you the answer. Suppose your question number 1 is word meaning. Okay, so first you write down number 1. Meaning.
Word. M-E-A-N-I-N-G.
And you all of you know that headings you are writing with the black pen and answers you are writing with the blue pen.
Okay.
Okay. Now number 1. Test. So in examination time, write word and meaning both. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. The top of a monument.
Then write down.
The top of a mountain. The top of a mountain. A monument or a hill.
Mountain or hill. The top of a mountain or hill.
Hill.
So children, here the crest, the top of a mountain or hill. Then second one,
Fancy.
One line. Then write fancy. Imagination. Okay? Fancy, imagination. So like this, we have to write your word meaning. Okay? Now make sentences. So thank you, Habiba, for answering me. Now I am going to talk another child. Okay? Now let's Anshi Dubey. Yes. Anshi Dubey. Yes, Anshi.
Good morning, Miss.
Yes, good morning. Anshi Dubey. Crest.
I can see them at the crest of hill.
Okay, I can see them at the crest of the hill. So first you tell me that meaning, make sentences. After that, I will tell you. Number 2 is fancy.
A poet can see many strange things in fancy.
Okay. Number 3 is conflict.
You can't avoid conflict all the time.
Number 4 is fall on.
The children fell on the bread food and ate it greedily.
Number 5 is trust.
She thrust a letter into my hand.
Number 6 is gallantly.
A few fighters behave gallantly under fire.
Number 7 is valiant.
Ali was a valiant man, talent as a ruler.
Ali was a valiant man, but had no great talent as a ruler. 8 is dismay.
He looked at her in dismay.
Number 9 is foe.
A courageous foe is better than a cowardly friend.
Cowardly friend. Okay. Number 10 is facet.
The two women have still the lamp.
Okay. So children, you can make the sentences by your own also, but meaningful sentence. Okay? You can make the sentence by your own, but meaningful sentence, please make it. And if you will make this sentence, it's okay. But after completing the sentence, please don't forget to put the full stop. Okay? Now, and improve your writing also. Okay? Improve your writing. Next is answer these questions.
Miss,
Okay, thank you, Anshi. Now the next student
Miss,
is Kushi Singh.
Miss.
Kushi Singh. 5th B, Kushi Singh. Yes, Kushi.
Good morning, Miss.
Yes, good morning. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Kushi, my first question is, who according Don Quixote were going to battle each other? Please answer it.
According to Don Quixote, the great foreign employee of the island of
Ali Perron. Say
Pharaoh,
yes. Emperor.
Emperor of the worst island of India, and King Pantopolion of the naked arm were going to the battle
Okay.
each
So
other.
after completing the answer, please put the full stop. And it is Pentapolin. Okay. King name is Pentapolin. Naked arm were going to battle each other. Okay. Okay, Kushi. Next question is, whom did Don Quixote support?
Don Quixote support the king
King Pentapolin. Good. Okay.
King Pentapolin.
Okay. Thank you, Kushi. Now the next student.
Yes.
Miss.
Now. Yes. Rishi Raj. Rishi Raj.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Please give me the answer. Question number 3. Why did Sancho not accompany his master to the battle?
Sancho did not accompany his master to the battle because he could not see any kind night
Any
and
night.
vacant man in the cloud of dust. All he could hear was the bleating of sheep.
Okay, very good. And after completing the answer, please don't forget to put the full stop. Okay? Okay. Now, Rishi, question number 4. What spotted Don Quixote from locating Ali Fan Pharaoh?
Don Quixote was trying to locate Ali Fan Pharaoh, but just at that moment, a stone struck him in the side with such force it almost broke his ribs and stopped him locating Ali Fan Pharaoh.
Okay. Now, question number 5. Please tell me. Why did Sancho feel that his master could make a good preacher? Tell me the answer.
Sancho felt that his
Yes.
master would make a good preacher because he bonded bad action he did not. The night caused more trouble rather than helping the people.
Okay, very good. Okay, so in question answers, children, after completing the answer, don't forget to put the full stop. Okay, thank you, Rishi. Now the next student, please tell me the reference to the context. Aradhya Srivastav 50. Aradhya Srivastav 50.
Good
I
morning,
can't.
ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Good morning. Okay, now tell me the question. Here. Might as well tell me it is snowing. For not a man nor night can I see either in this cloud of dust or that. Your question is, who is the speaker? Whom is he speaking to?
The speaker is Sancho Panza. He is speaking to Don Quixote.
Yes, Quixote. And children, when you write the spelling Quixote, okay, Quix. The pronunciation is Quixote, but okay,
Yes.
okay. Now, B question, Aradhya only. Why has he become impatient?
He has become impatient because
Yes.
because
He has.
he has become impatient because he could not find any knight or valiant man in the cloud of dust whom his master was naming.
Okay. Now, C question is, what was the listener's response to the comment in the extract?
The listener, Don Quixote, responded that he could even hear their horses neigh, their trumpets sound, and their drums beat.
Okay, good. Now, thank you, Aradhya. The next question. Class.
Yes.
Priyansh Chaudhary. Priyansh Chaudhary.
Good morning, Miss.
Yes, good morning. Priyansh Chaudhary of class 5B. Where is the general of this army? Cried Don Quixote, where art thou, proud Ali Fan Pharaoh? See, here is a single knight who challenges thee to combat and who will punish thee for this unjust war. And the question is, was Ali Fan Pharaoh fighting against?
Ali Fan Pharaoh was fighting against King Pentapolin in Quixote's imagination.
Don Quixote's, okay, not Quixote's, Don Quixote's imagination, okay? And when you will write King, write down K with the capital letter. Pentapolin, it is a name, proper noun. So write P with the capital letter. Don Quixote, it is also the name, proper noun. So write down D and Q with the capital letter. Understand? Okay. Now question number 2 is, Describe the battle that Don Quixote fought.
Don Quixote imagined the flock of sheep to be army of soldiers. He supported King Pentapolin and his daughter. He charged into the midst of the flock and speared the poor creatures gallantly as though they were his mortal enemies. The shepherds threw stones at the knight to save their sheep. Stones struck him, which almost broke his ribs. The knight was badly wounded and fell from his horse. He lay upon the ground as though dead. Later, he was killed by Sancho.
Okay, very good. Now, my request is this with all students. So please open your copy. Even he is reading the answer, please you also please put your finger, okay, and see that whatever he is reading it is correct or not. Okay, understand? Please. This is the revision time. Okay. Please do the revision properly. Now, the C question: how did Don Quixote get wounded?
The alarmed shepherds started throwing big stones at Don Quixote, and that is how he got wounded.
Good, very good. So now, children, okay, yes. You want to ask anything?
Yes.
Guess what?
Miss, in exam we will write without leaving the line or leaving the line. This
Please speak
question.
loudly. Speak.
In exam we will write this question, answer, and reference to context without leaving the line or leaving the line.
Okay. Yes, let me explain this. See, answer these questions. Okay, when you will write, only you have to write the question number correct. Okay, and answer these questions. If 7 questions will come, and out of 7, only 5 questions you have to do. So, which question? Suppose question number 2 you want to do first. Okay, so you have to write. Okay.
Miss, in exam
Yes,
we will.
I'm saying about the reference to context also. I'm telling you. Very good question is there. Then
Miss,
the next, if you want to give the answer number 3, write down your answer. Okay. Yes, you can. People line it. One more thing. Reference to the context also. No need to write the questions. Only write down the answer with the correct question number.
Miss,
Okay.
we will without leaving the line or leaving the line.
This one without leaving the line.
Okay, miss.
Okay, without leaving the line. And one more thing here, that when you will write reference to the context. Okay, suppose 1A, 1 ABC is there. One A. So write down 1A and then write your. Okay, then write down 2. Then write your answer. 1ABC. 1ABC. Okay, 1ABC. Let's write down the answer. And like this, want to write reference to the question, context. Number 2. So write down 2A. 2ABC. Okay, children? Okay?
Yes, miss.
So, now the third question is, Shiven Jaiswal. Shiven Jaiswal.
Yes, miss.
Yes, please give me the answer. Reference to the context, question number 3. He felt ashamed and alarmed at the sight of his master's bad doings. He groaned and tore his beard in vexation and dismay. And the question is, who is he?
Miss, he is Sancho Panza.
Okay, he is Sancho Panza. Good. Now, the next question is, what made him go towards his master?
The sight of his master lying wounded on the ground made him go towards him.
Good. See question. What was his suggestion about their further course of action?
They suggested that they must leave the unlucky and seek lodging where they can rest and eat some food.
Okay, Sancho suggested. Okay,
Yes.
they suggested that they must leave this unlucky place and seek lodgings where they can rest and eat some
Eat
food.
some food.
Yes, and after that, please put the full stop. Okay, children. Now, after reference to the context, please open your book, page number 45. Okay, thank you, Shivin. Now here, Aman Singh, class 5B, Aman Singh, roll number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So please, you tell me the true and false. Now, the question is there from the story. State whether the following statements are true or false. If false, make suitable corrections. So children, in the question paper, if it is given, if false, make suitable corrections. It will not given in the question paper. Okay, so no need to write the this one sentence. Only you have to write true or false. Okay? State whether the following statements are true or false. So, no need to give the statement.
Yes.
Only you have to write true or false. And when you will write true and false, please see this. Suppose your question is Don Quixote rode a dappled donkey. What is the answer? Aman?
False.
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 False. Now, if you will write only T or F, you will lose the marks. Some children are writing in your answer sheet only T and F. Wrong. Okay?
Yes, miss.
Please write the complete word, the full word. Then only you will get the marks. Okay?
Yes, miss.
The second question is Sancho Panza rode into the battle along with Don Quixote.
False.
False. Okay. Right. False. Okay. Number 2, write like this. If it is not asked the statement, you will not write the statement. Okay? Only you have to write true or false. The third is the shepherds hurled stones at Don Quixote because they wanted to save their sheep.
True.
Right? Okay. Now, number 4, Rocinante was Don Quixote's niece.
False.
False. Okay?
False.
I already explained this. And this way, you have to write in the examination time.
Okay, miss.
Understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, number 5, Sancho Panza led the way to seek lodgings for his master and himself.
True.
True. Okay.
True.
So, yes, you have to write please. Okay, write down with a capital letter.
True.
And please write the complete word. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, open your book, page number 46.
I
Time to
have-
learn new words. Here are some more such idioms. Match them with their meaning. Okay, thank you, Aman, for giving the answer. Now the next is Aradhya Shukla. Aradhya Shukla, here your class and section is not showing. So please enter your class and section also, okay? Aradhya Shukla. Okay, now please give me the answer. Here are some some more such idioms are there. Match them with their meanings. Aradhya, open your book.
Yes, Miss, I opened.
Okay. Now, Aradhya, number one question is a sea change. What is the meaning?
Great.
A great change.
A great change.
Now see, the match the following. If the match the following is written, how you have to
Great.
first you will
A
write
great
what?
change.
Match the following, okay?
Yes.
But in match the following, like word meaning, both the side you have to write the answers, okay? So first question, what you will write here? And in front of the question, the answer is a great change.
A great change.
A great change.
A great
So,
change.
yes. So children, now the number first you have to write correctly. Okay. After that, you write down a sea change. In front of that, you write okay. Match the column, you have to write both. If you will write only answer, then 0. No marks you will get. Okay. So children, word meaning and match the following. You have to write question also and in front of that answer. Understand?
Yes, Miss.
Good, very good. Now second question is a taste of your own medicine.
To
And the
experience.
meaning
To
is
experience the same problem that you created for others.
Aradhya is giving the answer. Aradhya, Shubhya, please answer again.
To experience the same problem that you create for others.
Good. Number 3, all Greek to me.
Unable to understand.
Unable to understand.
Very good. Unable to understand. Number 4, cost an arm and a leg.
Very
Very expensive.
Very good. Very expensive. Number 5, at the drop of a hat.
Immediately.
Okay. Number 5 is immediately. Very good. Number 6, to cry over spilt milk.
To feel sorry about a mistake that cannot be rectified.
Very good. To feel sorry about a mistake that cannot be rectified. Number 7, drive someone up the wall.
To irritate or annoy very much.
Okay, to irritate or annoy very much. So, children, you know the answer. Now, again and again, I am explaining you that match the following. You have to write the first number. Please write down the question number correctly. Okay? Then
Yes.
write down the word and in
Yes,
front of
miss.
that, write down the meaning. Okay? Both the part you have to write in match the following. Word meaning also. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Aradhya. Now, so today we have completed this lesson 5, the adventure with the sheep revision. Okay, word meaning, make sentences, answer this question, reference to the context, true and false and exercises. And I already explained you, and again I explain about this. Identify the kind of the underlined adjective in the following sentences. Page number 32. If you will write only adjective and you will not identify the kind, so you will lose the marks. So both you have to write. Who, interrogative, 15, adjective of quantity, and one more thing, that rewrite these sentences using appropriate contractions. You have to rewrite the sentence with the correct appropriate contractions.
Miss.
Okay, children?
Miss,
Yes.
in poem we have to write the poet.
Yes, in poem, yes. In poem, your two poems are there. Waiting
Yes.
at the window and in my old time. So children, when you will write this waiting at the window and this one in my old this
Town.
poem is there,
In my
waiting at
old
the
town.
window. Okay, and in my old town. So when you will options will come. Okay, options will come. Any one you have to write. It is of 10 marks. Please write neatly, and the last you have to write the poet name also. Okay, so today I am going to wind up. Okay, tomorrow again class is there. Tomorrow we will do the revision of lesson 6. Okay, children. Okay, so bye, all of you.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.